So it's either you're going to be the disruptor or the disrupted. That's just what it comes down. That's just what the world is. So now what does that mean for the disrupted? It means take 100% responsibility to improve your value in the world.
What are the challenges of humanity if we advance in technology at exponential speeds? Now, I want to preface this. I'll ask the question again. We've gotten so much technology in such a short period of time, and there's laws on this. People say that it doubles every 18 months or something like that, right? If it keeps doubling, and this is the math guy in me, and as I gave you that example, if you doubled a penny every day, 30 days from now, you go from a penny to 10 million, 11 million, 31 days. How much that would happen with technology is the same exact thing. If we have one invention, we start with writing this pen, a pen. We got a pen, right? We invented the pen. We invented the book, and we went from that to inventing, a phone. And if everyone in the world was inventing things, we had all these entrepreneurs out there, and the limits of government were out of the window. We can go from 18 months to a second.
Yeah.
Right. Like there could be extreme dangers at that. I mean, can you speak to we got to look at both sides, right? We got the good side. What are the challenges?
The dangers is for those that want to play it safe, for those that are afraid and they just live status quo, for those that aren't embracing innovation, they just get eliminated. I don't mean like they're killed. Like they have no role. It's like it's already happening though. Like people that are complaining about what technology is doing in industry where it's replacing jobs, right? It's not just, it's also causing jobs too, because there's people that are creating the technology. So it's either you're going to be the disruptor or the disrupted. That's just what it comes down. That's just what the world is. So now what does that mean for the disrupted? It means take 100% responsibility to improve your value in the world. Like which means go study, go learn new things, immerse yourself into personal and professional development, like find a way to always have the edge. And that's like a decision that you make. And imagine if there was just a new standard, because right now we have such low standards. Think about how many people lost their jobs and they don't even want to get a job because their unemployment is more money than what they're actually getting paid. Like they're just taking up space. Like that's crazy. Like they're consumers, they're not producers. Like, so what happens is that the world will reward the producers. And unfortunately, the consumers will be impacted, but the consumers have a choice to become producers. They're just not putting in the time to become the producer. So it's not that I'm unempathetic to it, because I know there's like circumstances like disability and things like that, but there'll always be like solutions for those that really can't. But for those that are just like lazy, they're looking for free lunch, like, yeah, you're going to suffer. Like, and not that I think you should suffer. I don't think anybody should suffer. It's just inevitable, because you can also make the choice to be a producer. And when you choose to produce, you then benefit as a producer. And that's really where everybody needs to move towards.